Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Talking eBay. Today I'm going to talk about how to add photos to eBay listing. So if you're not sure how to do it and using your phone, so one way is using a desktop. Another really cool way is using your phone. So what I do, and it's been working really well, is sync it right to the phone, sending the signal right to the phone, and it works perfectly. I'm going to give you a quick example here. Here is a Paula Abdul and Randy Jackson voice coach DVD, learning how to sing combination disc. In very, very good condition, worth about $10 plus shipping. I'm just going to give you an idea how I would take the photos. So first thing you want to do is just get your photo app set up. You want to get it to photos, and also you want to get it to square. So hit that 4x3, hit that square. So always do your photos in square format. That's number one. You get them as close as you can to the center and take a photo. And that's pretty much what you have to do. And I would do the front and I would do the back. Just like you see here, just like I'm giving you a perfect example, just like that there. And also, it's so important if you're doing like even music or media, whatever you're selling, open it up. Show everything that's included in the disc. This is a manual. There's 3 disc set. Show the 3 discs. Show everything. It's so important to show everything because, like I said, this is your proof. This is your story. Use it to help sell your product. Again, so use your square setting. You get everything in the square, just like I said. Take a shot just like that. And then, and if you want to get more detailed, you want to get some shots inside. The more information you give them, honestly, the better off you are. It's just my thought process on that. It's so important to give as much information as possible because at the end of the day, that's the proof that you have. Like I said with my other tutorials, the proof is in the pudding. And if you can show what you're doing, then really nobody can dispute what you're saying. And that's really what it comes down to. So again, take the photos, take some close-ups if you want. Like this here, here's a couple close-up of the disc so they can see everything. Take the close-up of that, take a close-up of this, and just very, very detailed. If you want to flip these over, you can show the back side of these discs to show them how perfect they are. Also, what I like to do is just give them a good view of everything. So the next step is now that you took your photos, now you want to get them from your phone. Now you get the photos on your phone. How do you get them up to the computer? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in the next step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're learning a lot from my tutorials, let me know. Leave some comments down below. It really helps the algorithm, and it tells YouTube that I'm helping you, and that helps me. So definitely leave some comments, leave some likes, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And check out all the other videos. So we're building it up slowly. So I don't want to overwhelm you, but I want to teach you a little bit at a time how to sell things on eBay and how to list. And this is the listing part for photos. So definitely use your phone. You know what? Had the DSLR, the whole thing for 100 years. The phone's the best. So let's get right to how to get to list it. Let's go. Okay, guys, so you can see here I'm on the main page of eBay, and I have my phone here as my secondary camera, second shot here. And I'm going to show you basically what you do. So you're going to see here, once you do your research and you figured out what category you're going to be in. You're going to be in DVDs. You're going to make sure you ship this media mail number 1. So what you want to do is basically send the signal or send the image information to your phone. So import from phone, or you can do it from the web, or you can do it just that's the old-fashioned way from the desktop. So let's import from the phone. That's what we're doing. So it sends a signal to the phone, and you're going to see the signal sends right to the phone. Your phone's going to ding. You're going to click on it. It's going to open up some of the photos, and just click on the plus sign. And you're going to see all these photos here. So these are all the photos we just took. Let's just select some of these photos. Let's select, I think you can do up to 24 photos now, which is kind of cool. I like that. They increased that. And then once you select the photos, hit upload on your phone. And that's going to send those photos. You're going to see here, they're all populating. So you don't see them popping up on the screen on your computer. But on the phone, you'll see them populating through the cycle of your photos that you selected. So wait till that is finished. Wait till that is done. After that's done, okay, let that finish and then go back to your main screen and say, got it. And then what's going to happen, you're going to see them all populating right now, just like that. So there are the photos right there. Here's some of the photos. Let's just put this one here. Here's your first one. Let's take a look at the large size. And you can see these are the photos we just took from our phone. And this is what I suggest doing. Just take all the photos, take the front to back. I don't care what it is. Take as many photos as you can, up to 24. Don't be shy. A lot of people are just so lazy. Don't take any photos and it looks like crap. Bottom line, give them as much information as you can because they're judging you on your photos. And if you do a video. So check that video. If you don't know how to add a video, check out that video as well. And that's it. Super simple. And then continue listing as normal, put all the descriptions in, like new condition, all the information down here. Don't forget that the condition is very important. If they're scratched or anything at all, just say it. It doesn't matter. Sometimes people buy things that are broken and scratched. It does not matter. And then continue. And the most important thing is change it to US Media Mail. And the way you do that is just delete the old service and just click on Add Services. If it's in the right category, your Media Mail will pop up just like that. And then you put the price in that you want to. I usually charge $4.99 for DVDs and CDs and things like that. So you make about $1 on the shipping. And that's it. That's what I have for you today. I don't want to make it too long. I don't want to overwhelm you. I just want to show you exactly how to add add photos. You can actually, I wish they would add. Now, that's one thing they don't have is a video to link directly. Some other platforms do. I think they're going to get there. eBay's a little bit slow with development on the back end. You should be able to actually add video from your phone too, but that's not there yet. So that's kind of a bummer, and that's a workaround. That's a whole different workaround, and you can watch the video tutorial on my channel as well. All right, that's what I have for you today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out quite a bit, like I said before, and I appreciate your time. And hopefully you learned something. I brought you some value. If I have, just let me know by a heart, a thumbs up, a comment, whatever's best for you. I appreciate it. And don't forget to spread the word. Talking eBay. It's all about learning. And we're doing some live, some podcasting as well. So definitely subscribe to the channel. We're going to have some podcasting. We're going to have some live podcasting and have some eBay guests on. You just never know who's going to pop up around. So I appreciate it as always, guys. And I'll see you at the next one.